How to connect broker to Metatrader 5. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can connect broker to Metatrader 5. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. And make sure to turn on the notification bell in order to be updated about the new videos. So in order to connect your broker to Metatrader 5, there are certain processes you need to follow. First of all, you need to have the Metatrader 5 application installed on your device. It is available on any of the app stores, so you may just download it from there. After that, simply launch the app. After launching your app, you just need to accept the terms and conditions. After that, you'll be able to see this interface on your screen. So here, you just need to click on this Add Trading Account. After that, here, you can easily find the brokers option. So you just need to search for your broker in this search bar. After that, you may just click on the broker. And after clicking on the broker, you need to use your login credentials in order to log in. And that's how you basically connect your broker with Metatrader 5. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to connect your broker to Metatrader 5 very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.